Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to disable UI navigation in Roblox. This feature can be accidentally turned on, causing you to navigate the in-game UIs instead of controlling your character with the WASD keys. And here is how to turn it off and find the toggle key. So go to the pause menu by pressing the Roblox icon in the top left corner or by pressing the escape key on your keyboard. In the top of the menu, go ahead and select Help, which is on the right-hand side. And under Miscellaneous section, find UI Selection toggle. The keys often the forward slash or hashtag. Unpause the game, and in this case, unpausing it disables the UI navigation. You can now use the toggle key to enable or disable UI navigation as needed. Pressing it again will disable UI navigation as needed. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.